The Baldassarre, that is composed by 1/3 Cabernet Sauvignon, 1/3 Merlot, 1/3 Sangiovese, so third, and third. The grapes remain 1 year in oak, huge, big barrel. We move 6 months in oak, small, 6 months in chestnut, small, and 6 months in cherry wood. And after we bottle the wine, and 6 months to slip the bottles and wait in the label. And why? Why this? Because the wood is like a sponge. Eat the wine tannin and give it to the wine. The oak vanilla flavor. The chestnut help the wine in the body. The cherry wood give a cherry flavor to the wine. And when the wine, it is sleeping in bottles. So we have a natural combination between vanilla flavor and cherry flavor. We have blackberry and chocolate flavor. This wine 2 years ago, 06 the harvest in the World Wine Championship in Brussels, received the gold medal as a best. 92 points wine.